Rowlett homeowners are no strangers to changing weather patterns. From strong thunderstorms and heavy rain to high winds and seasonal temperature swings, your home's exterior must be built to handle it all. While picture windows are known for their expansive views and abundant natural light, they can also be designed to stand up to severe weather. Storm-resistant picture windows offer the perfect balance of beauty and protection, giving you wide, unobstructed views while helping safeguard your home against Rowlett's unpredictable weather conditions. Built for high winds and heavy rain, picture windows are fixed, meaning they don't open. This design actually provides a structural advantage during storms. Because there are no moving parts, storm-resistant picture windows can be engineered with stronger frames and tighter seals. High-quality storm-resistant models are tested to withstand significant wind pressure. In areas like Rowlett, where strong storms can bring powerful gusts, reinforced frames and impact-rated glass help prevent damage. Properly sealed picture windows also reduce the risk of water intrusion during heavy rainfall, protecting your walls and interior finishes from moisture damage. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. One of the most important features of storm-resistant picture windows is impact-resistant glass. This glass is constructed with multiple layers bonded together with a durable interlayer. If struck by debris during a storm, the glass may crack, but it remains intact rather than shattering. This prevents dangerous shards from entering your home and helps maintain the structural integrity of the window opening. For Rowlett homeowners, this feature provides valuable peace of mind during severe weather events. Superior sealing to prevent drafts and leaks. Storm-resistant picture windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and sealing systems. These tight seals help block wind-driven rain and reduce air infiltration. In Rowlett's climate, this means fewer drafts during winter cold fronts and better insulation during hot summer days. A well-sealed window not only protects against storms but also improves overall energy efficiency. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Beyond storm protection, modern storm-resistant picture windows offer impressive energy performance. Features such as double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, low emissivity coatings help regulate indoor temperatures. During hot Texas summers, low-E coatings reflect solar heat away from your home. In cooler months, insulated glass helps retain warmth indoors. Because picture windows are fixed, they naturally provide a tighter seal than operable window styles, further enhancing energy efficiency. Reinforced frames for long-term durability. Storm-resistant picture windows typically use durable frame materials like vinyl or fiberglass. These materials resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Fiberglass frames, in particular, offer exceptional strength and stability during temperature fluctuations. In Rowlett, where weather conditions can change quickly, sturdy frames help ensure long-term performance. Preserving views without sacrificing safety. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is their ability to frame outdoor scenery without visual obstructions. Storm-resistant designs maintain this aesthetic while providing enhanced durability. Homeowners can enjoy bright, open living spaces and clear views of their yard or neighborhood, without worrying about sacrificing protection. Professional installation is key. Even the strongest window won't perform properly without correct installation. Professional installation ensures the window is securely anchored, properly flashed, and fully sealed. This attention to detail maximizes storm resistance and prevents future issues such as leaks or frame shifting. A smart investment for Rowlett Home. Storm-resistant picture windows combine expansive views, natural light, and reliable protection. For Rowlett homeowners, they offer a practical solution that enhances comfort while preparing your home for severe weather. By investing in impact-rated glass, reinforced frames, and expert installation, you can enjoy the beauty of picture windows with the confidence that your home is ready for whatever the forecast brings.